Discover Finland, your ultimate travel guide. Finland, a Nordic gem, offers an unparalleled blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and modern sophistication. From its vibrant cities to its serene landscapes, this destination promises unforgettable experiences. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture enthusiast, or a nature lover, Finland has something special waiting just for you. Imagine a land where pristine lakes mirror the sky, where northern lights dance across the horizon, and where every season brings a unique charm. Finland, often called the land of 1,000 lakes, invites you to discover its wonders and create memories that will last a lifetime. This guide aims to provide you with everything you need to know for an incredible Finnish adventure. From the best times to visit and top cities to explore, to unique local experiences and practical travel tips, we've got you covered. Embark on a journey through Finland's diverse landscapes and vibrant culture. Finland's climate varies greatly across its regions, offering distinct experiences year-round. Summers are mild and perfect for outdoor activities, while winters transform the landscape into a snowy wonderland ideal for skiing and northern lights viewing. Autumn's colorful foliage and spring's blooming flowers add to the country's seasonal charm. Helsinki, Espoo, and Tampere are Finland's top cities, each offering its own unique charm. Helsinki, the capital, is a hub of culture and design. Espoo boasts stunning natural beauty and outdoor activities. Tampere, known for its cultural scene, is home to numerous museums and theaters. Explore these cities to experience Finland's diverse urban landscapes. Helsinki offers a captivating mix of modernity and tradition. Marvel at the stunning architecture of the Helsinki Cathedral, explore the bustling market square, and immerse yourself in Finnish history at the National Museum. Don't miss the serene beauty of Suomenlinna, a UNESCO World Heritage Site just a short ferry ride away. Espoo is a heaven for nature enthusiasts. Enjoy hiking through Nuuksio National Park's lush forests and sparkling lakes. Take a peaceful kayak trip along the Espoo archipelago's scenic waterways. The area's numerous trails and outdoor activities make it a perfect destination for those looking to reconnect with nature. Tampere is a vibrant cultural hub. Discover Finnish art and history at the Tampere Art Museum and Vaprikki Museum Center. Enjoy world-class performances at the Tampere Theatre and Tampere Philharmonic Orchestra. The city's thriving cultural scene offers something for every art and history lover. Experience Finnish sauna culture, a quintessential part of life in Finland. Relax and rejuvenate in traditional wood-fired saunas or modern urban spas. Participate in the authentic experience of alternating between the intense heat of the sauna and the refreshing plunge into a cold lake or snow. Witness the awe-inspiring northern lights in Finland's pristine wilderness. The best spots for viewing include Lapland's remote areas such as Rovaniemi and Kakslottainen. Clear, dark skies provide the perfect backdrop for this natural light show, offering an unforgettable experience for all who venture northward. Lapland offers magical experiences, especially at Santa Claus Village. This enchanting destination lets you meet Santa, cross the Arctic Circle, and enjoy sled rides with reindeer. The village transforms into a winter wonderland, complete with twinkling lights and festive decorations, creating an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Finland's national parks are a nature lover's paradise. With numerous trails, you can hike through dense forests, past serene lakes, and up rugged hills. Wildlife enthusiasts will spot various species, from majestic elks to playful otters. These parks provide a perfect escape into the tranquility of Finnish wilderness. Exploring Finnish archipelagos is a unique adventure. The myriad islands offer opportunities for kayaking, sailing, and island hopping. Each island has its own charm, whether it's quaint villages, sandy beaches, or lush forests. This maritime journey reveals the stunning beauty and rich culture of Finland's coastal areas. Finnish cuisine is a delightful exploration of traditional flavors. From hearty dishes like Karelian pasties to the unique taste of reindeer meat, there's something for every palate. Don't miss out on trying fresh fish from the lakes and the famous rye bread, staples that highlight Finland's culinary heritage. Street food in Finland is vibrant and diverse. Popular markets and stalls offer a range of delicious treats, from savory meat pies to sweet pastries. Helsinki's Market Square is a must-visit, where you can savor local delicacies while enjoying the bustling atmosphere and stunning waterfront views. Craft beers and berry wines are a delight in Finland. Local breweries offer a range of flavors, from hoppy IPAs to smooth stouts. Berry wines, made from native fruits like lingonberries and cloudberries, provide a unique taste of the region. Sampling these beverages is a must for any visitor. Finland boasts a variety of accommodations to suit all budgets. Luxurious hotels offer top-notch amenities and stunning views, while mid-range options provide comfort and convenience. For budget travelers, hostels and guest houses offer affordability without compromising on quality. There's something for everyone, whether you're seeking opulence or simplicity. Navigating Finland is straightforward thanks to its efficient public transport system. Buses, trams, and trains connect major cities and towns, making travel convenient and affordable. The extensive network ensures you can explore urban areas and remote villages with ease. Timely schedules and modern vehicles enhance the overall experience. For those seeking flexibility, renting a car in Finland is a great option. The well-maintained roads and scenic routes make driving a pleasure. Car rental services are available at airports and major cities, offering a range of vehicles to suit your needs. Discover hidden gems at your own pace. Cycling enthusiasts will find Finland a paradise. The country offers numerous cycling routes, from city bike paths to scenic countryside trails. Renting a bike is easy, and many cities provide dedicated lanes for cyclists. Whether you're an avid biker or a casual rider, exploring Finland by bike is exhilarating. Finland offers an extensive network of cycling routes, perfect for exploring its scenic landscapes. From urban trails in Helsinki to rugged paths in Lapland, cyclists can enjoy diverse terrains. Bike rentals are widely available, and many routes feature designated bike lanes, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for all. Walking tours provide an intimate way to discover Finland's charm. Guided tours in cities like Helsinki, Turku, and Tampere highlight historical landmarks, vibrant neighborhoods, and hidden gems. Self-guided options are also popular, allowing travelers to explore at their own pace and immerse themselves in local culture. Finnish culture places a strong emphasis on respect and politeness. When meeting someone, a firm handshake and direct eye contact are customary. Removing shoes before entering a home is expected. Punctuality is valued, and it's important to avoid interrupting others during conversations, reflecting Finland's courteous communication style. Learning a few common Finnish phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience. Simple greetings like moi, hello, and kiitos, thank you, are appreciated by locals. While many Finns speak English, making an effort to use Finnish phrases shows respect and can lead to more meaningful interactions. Finland's historical sites offer a glimpse into its rich past. Suomenlinna, a sea fortress near Helsinki, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with fascinating history. Turku Castle, dating back to the 13th century, showcases medieval architecture. These sites provide insight into Finland's heritage and are must-visit attractions. Finland's modern attractions captivate with sleek, innovative architecture. The capital, Helsinki, is a visual feast where historic buildings harmonize with cutting-edge designs. The Udi Library and the Kiasma Museum of Contemporary Art showcase Finland's dedication to blending functionality with beauty, making urban exploration a delight for design enthusiasts. The Finnish art scene bursts with creativity, from established galleries to vibrant street art. Helsinki's Ateneum offers classic masterpieces, while smaller galleries highlight emerging talents. Street murals in cities like Turku and Tampere add a dynamic, colorful layer to urban landscapes, reflecting Finland's rich artistic diversity. Music festivals in Finland are a vibrant tapestry of sounds, drawing both local and international acts. Flow Festival in Helsinki blends genres in a unique setting, while Ruisrock in Turku offers a seaside stage. These events create unforgettable experiences, resonating with music lovers across the globe. Winter sports are a thrilling highlight of Finnish life, offering skiing and snowboarding in pristine, snowy landscapes. Resorts like Levi and Elas cater to all skill levels, providing well-groomed slopes and stunning Arctic views. These activities combine adrenaline and natural beauty, creating an exhilarating winter wonderland. Summer in Finland invites outdoor enthusiasts to kayak and fish in its serene waters. The archipelagos and countless lakes provide perfect spots for tranquil paddling and angling. These activities immerse visitors in Finland's stunning natural beauty, offering a peaceful escape and a chance to connect with nature. Finland's diverse wildlife offers thrilling opportunities for nature lovers. Spot majestic brown bears, elusive wolves, and a rich variety of bird species in their natural habitats. Guided tours and wildlife safaris provide safe and educational experiences, ensuring unforgettable encounters with these magnificent creatures while appreciating Finland's pristine natural environment. Local markets in Finland are treasure troves of unique handicrafts and memorable souvenirs. Discover intricate Sami jewelry, hand-woven textiles, and traditional wooden crafts. These markets also offer local delicacies and preserves, perfect for a taste of Finland to bring back home. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and friendly interactions with local artisans. Eco-friendly travel in Finland is a rewarding way to explore while minimizing your environmental impact. Choose sustainable accommodations, participate in green activities like cycling and hiking, and support local businesses that prioritize sustainability. Finland's commitment to preserving its natural beauty ensures that future generations can enjoy its pristine landscapes. Finland offers a plethora of family-friendly activities that cater to all ages. Children will love the interactive exhibits at science centers, the enchanting Santa Claus Village, and the numerous outdoor adventures available year-round. Families can bond over shared experiences, creating lasting memories in a safe, welcoming, and naturally beautiful environment. Finland's nightlife scene is vibrant and diverse, featuring cozy bars, energetic clubs, and live music venues. Experience local culture through traditional Finnish music or dance the night away to international beats. Warm, welcoming atmospheres and a lively social scene make Finland's nightlife an exciting part of any visit. When traveling to Finland, prioritize your health and safety. Carry essential medications, stay informed about local emergency numbers, and heed weather warnings. Finnish healthcare is excellent, but insurance is recommended. Always keep your belongings secure and be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Pack smart for Finland's diverse climate. Layered clothing is key, along with waterproof outerwear. Don't forget comfortable walking shoes, swimwear for saunas, and reusable water bottles. Bring adapters for European plugs and plenty of memory cards for capturing the stunning landscapes. Equip yourself with helpful apps for a smoother Finnish adventure. Download public transport apps for schedules and routes, language translation apps for common phrases, and weather updates. Navigation apps can guide you through cities and hiking trails, while local event apps keep you informed about festivals and activities. Immerse yourself in the experiences of travelers who have explored Finland. Discover their favorite hidden gems, unforgettable adventures, and personal tips. From breathtaking northern lights to serene sauna moments, these stories inspire and guide your own journey, ensuring you make the most of your Finnish adventure. Embrace the magic of Finland by planning your trip today. Start by researching destinations, booking accommodations, and crafting an itinerary that balances must-see attractions with unique experiences. Whether it's the vibrant cities, natural wonders, or cultural treasures, Finland promises an unforgettable adventure waiting just for you.